Hey, it's Komori, and today we're going to be making a cute necklace inspired by the Lucky Cat. We'll start by making the base cat charm for the necklace. So I'm using these super cute little Lucky Cat beads that I got at my local Joann's, and the only problem was that the hole in the middle of the bead was a little bit too large for the eye pin. This little end stopper at the bottom here would slide through the kitty. So I just took a little pink pearl to keep that from happening, slid that onto the head pin, slid the cat on top, and then made a loop of the wire at the top. Then we're going to make the pearl charms by using an eye pin, threading on a pink pearl, then use a pair of pliers to loop the wire around and trim off the excess with a pair of wire cutters. Take one of the large pink pearl charms and attach onto it a small length of gold chain. Then loop a jump ring through the top of the cat charm and slide the piece of chain through the jump ring. Then add another pink pearl so that the cat charm can no longer slide off. Keep repeating the pearl and chain segments until the necklace gets to a length that you would like. To create a closure for the necklace, use a jump ring to attach a lobster claw clasp onto one end, then attach another jump ring onto the other end so that the clasp has something to grab onto. I also added a little pearl just for some additional decoration. And with that, the Lucky Cat necklace is done. For more DIY videos, please subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.